how to add audio or the music in InShot. Now in order to do this, you just simply need to go any of the video that you are editing. In my case, I have created this draft. I will open this one, and after going into here, you will get to see a bunch of options. Now in order to add the music into the video, you just simply need to tap to this audio option right here. Then you will get this button to add music to your video. Just simply tap into music. Then after this, you will get a bunch of options: featured musics, your musics, and also the effects from here. You can just easily choose any of these features, and then after choosing any of these feature, you can do further things such as extracting the audio from another video that you have, or you can import audio from your files by tapping into this imported option, and you can check your favorites if you have any, and you can also select from this vast music library of InShot. For example, I will choose this Hummingbird Express, and here are the audios. In order to add this audio in video, just simply select the audio that you want to add and tap to download by tapping in here. Then after downloading, you can tap to this use option and the audio will be added to your video. This is how you can easily do this. I hope you understood all the process. If you did and it helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.